Today, folks, it's a momentous day. We have something good. Our children are trying chicken and rice for the first time. Today is also an incredibly sad and distressing day because today we are going to talk about hate. This is something that most of us dreaded from the time the first SC order was announced. All of us feared that what would happen would validate hate, would allow all those that are violent, that have tendencies to hurt animals and humans, to come out of the woodwork and use this as their own personal funfair. And that's exactly what has been happening. Every night, every single day since that day, we've been trying to deal with, because it's impossible to deal with these things. We've been trying to deal with videos that show humans beating up other humans, humans beating up animals, animals bleeding, animals dead, animals dragged. How much cruelty and pain do we have to deal with? How much do they have to deal with? And why? Please try and understand. This is not about dog lovers and dog haters. Dog haters, or people that are afraid of dogs and dog bites, can still avoid dogs, can be non-violent. These are not the ones that are afraid of dog bites. These are violent individuals, people with tendencies to create damage and harm. And please remember, please understand this. If they can do this to innocent animals, someday they can do it to you for no reason at all. These are not the ones who are fighting a battle of ideology. These are the ones who are doing it because it rocks their boat, because it's fun to do, because watching another being in suffering and in pain gives them kicks. These are the ones that we are seeing today. A man walking up with a stick and whacking this thin, defenseless feeder. A huge guy trying to beat up a female as she stands there feeding dogs. A dog with its mouth and its nose bleeding rivers because it came to eat. Is this what we want to become as a society? Is this what we think the Supreme Court order meant? Is this validation for an outpouring of a feast of violence and blood? Is that what it is? Please try and understand. We are no longer talking about people on two sides of an ideological fence. This has stopped being that. We are now in extremely dangerous territory. Those that can shed blood